9:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ashton to 7 miles northwest of Paw Paw, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Severe thunderstorms will be near Shabona around 9:55 p.m. Waterman around 10:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lee and Stewart, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 85 and 95. Interstate 88 between mile markers 66 and 71. These storms are producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is NOAA Weather Radio.